How to add Volatility 75 index on MetaTrader 5. First, you will need to load up the app and then click on settings found in the bottom right corner. From here, we will choose new account and you need to use a broker that allows synthetic indices. So for example, you can use deriv. So we're just going to search for deriv. And here you will need to connect your account, assuming you already have one. It's going to ask you for the login, password, and you also have the option of saving your password. Once you connect your deriv account, or whichever one you use for synthetic indices, you will go back to the quotes page and you can use the search bar to search for indexes. And from here, you will see the synthetic index called Volatility 75, and you can just add it and track it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.